Today, we're going to do a really quick video about customizing the quick access toolbar and the ribbon in Microsoft Word. What I like to do when I open the document is go in and customize it to put all of my favorite tools in one easy place to find instead of having to go through several different tabs to find what I need. There are two ways to get to the options menu. You can right-click on the ribbon and select Customize the Ribbon, and this will take you to the Word Options dialog box. The other way you can find the Word options is by going to File, Options, and you will get the same dialog box. The first thing that I like to do is customize the quick access toolbar, because what you can see in the upper left-hand corner is that by default you get this autosave and then a save button, and that's pretty much it. I like to add in the save as well as the spell check. So under the popular commands, you can scroll down and they're alphabetized. So I can double click save as and it puts it onto the toolbar. And then I'm going to double click spelling and grammar. Now there's a lot of other options that you can add to your quick access toolbar. Many of them are also in the Word ribbon. The benefit of customizing the quick access toolbar is I don't have to hunt through several different tabs on the ribbon in order to find the command that I use most often. Notice that there is a drop down next to commands to choose from, and it defaults to popular commands. You can change it to commands that are not in the ribbon to find additional options to put in your quick access toolbar, or you can search by all commands, and there's quite a few things here that you may not have even realized that you could create hotkeys for. The other thing you can do is choose whether or not you want the quick access toolbar to be above or below the ribbon. So currently mine is above the ribbon at the top of the page. I click below the ribbon and then click OK. You can see that my quick access toolbar is now down here. So the autosave and the regular save button is still going to be at the top. And then the save as and the spelling and grammar are below the ribbon. I personally prefer to have them all in one place. So I say show above the ribbon. And now I have my most frequently used tools in the quick access toolbar. Well, I can also customize my ribbon as well. So again, I'm going to right click and select customize ribbon. And then here you can see all of the different things that are already in the ribbon, such as the home tab, design, layout, etc. The one thing that I typically go in and add is the developer tab so that I can have access to all the tools I need to create checklists with clickable boxes and things like that. The last thing we're going to look at is how to customize your keyboard shortcuts. And I think this one is really overlooked because a lot of people don't even realize it's here. So for example, when I was talking about keyboard shortcuts in a recent video, I was going through and I was like, where's the hotkey for bullet points? And I couldn't find one because if you go into the customized keyboard and look under Home tab and Bullets Gallery, there's nothing in the current keys section. What you do is go into the Press New Shortcut Keys section and type in any hotkey that you want. Just make sure it's not already assigned to another command. Then I will click Assign and Close, and then click OK. And now when I go back to my Word document, if I click on the same Control-Alt-7 that I entered as the hotkey, you see that a bullet point automatically showed up. And then I can just continue formatting my document in a way that makes sense to me. And as a bonus tip, you'll see here on the screen that you can customize your options in Excel so that you can bring some of your favorite tools to the top of the access bar or the ribbon. And here we are in PowerPoint. And again, you have all of the additional options as well. Now go be creative and find your own favorite options. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.